Manipur Chief Minister Singh on Thursday stated that the state cannot accept illegal immigrants under the guise of inclusiveness. He stressed the importance of prioritizing the rights of the indigenous communities while acknowledging the hardships faced by the people of Manipur for the benefits of the future generations. Speaking at the school events in Imphal, Singh remarked, Manipur is at transitional period. Many have faced hardship, with thousands leaving their homes and living in relief camps. Valuable lives have been lost. To protect the future generation, a firm stance and commitment is needed from the politicians. He noted that all the 34 governments recognized tribes in the state, including Thadao, Mar, Gangte, Tangku, Mao, and Maram, have been granted indigenous status. Since emphasized that while inclusiveness is important, the state cannot accommodate outsiders or illegal immigrants, as it lacks the capacity to do so without endangering the indigenous community. Singh also underscores the significance of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's nation-first approach, urging everyone to adapt it. He highlighted the role of the education as the backbone of the society and announced the formation of a syllabus committee to introduce a curriculum that would educate students about the state's history and its diverse tribe. Additionally, Singh mentions the upcoming publication of a Know Your Manipur General Knowledge book by the State Council of Educational Research and Training and SCERT. On the progress in the education sector, he observed, today we have seen intense and healthy competitions between the governments and the private school, and the results are beneficial for all of us.